Salamat po sa pribilehiyong umabot at maglingkod sa aming mga kababayan at sa mas marami pang tao sa buong mundo. Patuloy po namin dalangin ang iyong pagsama at pag-iingat nang sa gayon may pagpatuloy po namin ang iyong layunin at maisulong ang iyong kaharian dito sa lupa. Pagpanibaguhin po ang aming lakas, usugan at sigla sa aming pagsunod sa iyo. Ito po ang aming dalangin sa pangalan ng iyong tunay na anak na si Jesus, ang aming Panginoon at tagapagligtas. Amen.
This is DZOE TV Channel 11, a commercial TV station with 100 kilowatt transmitting power, owned and operated by Zoe Broadcasting Network Incorporated, with station license number BSD 02352020, MOP, issued by the National Telecommunications Commission, valid until March 11, 2023. Zoe TV 11 studios are located at the 22nd floor, Strata 2000 building, Emerald Avenue, Ortigas Center, Pasig City, with transmitter at Barangay San Roque, Antipolo City. Zoe TV 11 operated and maintained by the following engineers and technicians, duly licensed by the Professional Regulations and Commission and the National Telecommunications Commission. Professional Electronics Engineers, Antonio T. Soriano, PECE number 0000042. Vincent G. Ronquillo, PECE number 0001199. Electronics Engineers, Rachel Ann S. Roque, ECE number 0066327. Jed Ellison C. Zapanta, ECE number 0062739. First Class Radio Telephone Operators, Charlie F. Perez, 06-1 PHN-23257. Peter N. Basanaco, 06-1 PNCR-23273. Gerard Lawrence Usandago, 06-1 PV-23313. All programs telecast on this station have been approved by the Movie and Television Review and Classification Board. This is Zoe TV 11, now signing off.
Mm-hmm.